Is hidden mold silently harming your family's health right now? Uncover the truth with Quidos Mold Removal, your Northeast home health defender. Welcome to Quidos Cleaning Services. We're more than just a cleaning service, we're champions for your home's health, specializing in effective mold removal. Mold is an invisible threat, causing everything from allergies to serious respiratory issues. Our expert team is here to combat this hazard efficiently. With a comprehensive mold removal process, we don't just clean, we provide lasting protection, ensuring your home stays mold-free. See the difference in our before and after gallery. These dramatic transformations aren't just visually impressive, they represent our commitment to health and safety. Our methods are safe, eco-friendly, and perfect for keeping your family and pets healthy. We prioritize your well-being in every service. Effective mold removal is crucial for a healthy home environment. Trust Quidos, where we blend care with expertise to protect and enhance your living space. Take action against mold today. Call Quidos Cleaning Services highly trained professionals at 01917318555 or visit our website. Fully insured and accredited, serving the entire northeast of England, we're your first line of defense against mold. Let's ensure your home is a safe haven.